Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can fix search bar over on TikTok. Now, if your search bar is not working or maybe not responding, how would you fix that? So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important, and let's jump right into it. Now, first of all you need to do, head over to your Google Play Store or App Store, and over there you're gonna search for TikTok and check if there is any update for TikTok is currently available. Then just update your TikTok to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is obviously the update. So you just need to update TikTok to its latest version. Alright guys, so once you have done with the update, now the second thing you need to require is that you're gonna go to your home page, go to TikTok, hold the application and go to app info. Right there, you're gonna go to storage usage and simply click on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory of the TikTok will be cleared and you will get a resetted version of TikTok. Once you have done with these two things, now simply go ahead, launch your TikTok, and this time you will not get any kind of issue. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.